Hello everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to the free section video. In this series, we are going to define you about the IMUCET and sponsorship whole guidance. So how to fill the form of 7 Island for the application. So here you have to go through our video and you will get to know. If you don't know the eligibility criteria for joining 7 Island, you know na 7 Island, one new college, one new MTI. MTI means college, Maritime Training Institute. You one new college with Indian shipping company. They're having 24 ships. All the overview, what it having, what's not having, is it good to join or it is not good to join. So everything is covered in this video, not in this video, in this series by Pranit Mehta sir. So go through the series and coming in sequence, then only see how to fill the form. So it is the next one. Before that, you have to watch all the things, their eligibility criteria, when the form's out, what's the things. So go through this. Then after come on the screen and one interface came. This is of Google Chrome. So you have to click new. You have to open a new tab here. You have to type 7 Island MTI. So one on the first link itself, you have to click 7 Island Maritime Training Institute. So you have to click on that. So home page will appear. So on the you will find home portal, admission portal, course overview, about us, contact us, gallery, and on the first box itself they are running DCPing approved, DCPing approved. So DCPing approval is not only basic need to join college, it is mandatory. If DCPing approved is not there, so there is no way, there is no meaning to join that college. If it is DCPing approved, then after it is recommended by Merchant Navy, decoded by college portal, then only join. So 7 Island is recommended. So let's move ahead. You have to click on admission portal. Then after DNS, you can find Diploma in Nautical Science. You'll get to know all the things, eligibility criteria, IMU process. So they have clearly defined. You have to pass IMUCET exam, then only come. They have don't define any things that what's the thing, what's the rank you should have. So you should have minimum of 4,000, 5,000 rank. We can consider that. Then after you have to click on apply now button. When you will click on apply now button, the application form will come. So you have to fill, you have to give, they have clearly mentioned fill mark with asterisk are mandatory. You can find application form for course, Diploma in Nautical Science, batch DNS 1. Whatever your batch should be when the form will come for you. So it should be written DNS 2, DNS 3, DNS 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, whatever your batch. But form should be same. If it is updated, if form changed, we will update here only. Okay, so be with Merchant Navy Decoded and fill the form carefully. Otherwise, you are not able to make changes and you will lose your money. Otherwise, you have to do some labor and you have to contact MTI. Then you have to contact them. So there is a lot of hazard. Before that, you can go through this video and fill the form carefully. So let's move ahead. First, you have to give your name, first name with asterisk marks. You have to give your first name. Anyway, you have to give your name. Then after, if middle name is there, so give. Last name asterisk mark is not there, but from Merchant Navy Decoded, we are requesting you because lots of comments coming. Sir, I don't have asterisk mark, so company is not allowing me to join. Say, company is not telling to join this, join that. In Anglo-Eastern forms, you are not able to fill the form also if you don't have last name. So if you don't have last name, you don't have surname, just go and get your surname first, then join Merchant Navy. Simply in one word. So write your last name here, then give your mobile number, give your correct mobile number. It might be some pop-up message will send to your mobile number by MTI if they are not able to contact through your email. So they will send. Chances is about 0.0009% only. They are contacting by email only. So you have to give your DOB. Give your DOB as per your passport, and it should be coming under eligibility criteria, then only fill the form. Otherwise don't fill the form and don't watch the video. When you'll get eligible, then come and watch the video. It's not about the thing we are telling in attitude, but it's about the thing you can't lose your money, you can't lose your time. Okay, if you are eligible, then you only fill the form. Then you have to give your age, your blood group, your gender, your email ID. Email ID should be correct. If you are not providing your email ID correct, so it might be you lose and you are not get a chance. If you pass the exam also, you perform well in this exam of MTI and not got the results. So what it should be, you'll get sad. I given exam, I passed, I did lots of mehnat, but results not in hand because of wrong email ID. So before writing your ID or just putting your email ID, just think twice. Okay, yeah, spelling is correct, this is correct, that is correct, 1 2 3 whatever the number you are giving, is it correct or not? Then only give your email ID. Then after marital status, yes or no, because on email ID only they are sending all the details. When your exam you got selected, you have to come, whatever things they are asking your details also on email ID, it might be. So just give your email ID correct only. So it is with asterisk mark. Marital status, it should be single, right? Nationality, Indian. If not Indian, just click on not Indian. Mother tongue they are asking, Arunachali, Audhi, Bengali, Bhojpuri, Brij, Bihari, anything, whatever it is, Himachali, Hindi, Kannauji, Tamil, Nepali, you can select it here. Aadhaar card number, you have to give your Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, and place of birth as per your passport. Place of birth already mentioned in your passport, first page itself. So you have to give your place of birth. Then after you have to give your height in centimeter, weight in kilogram. These are the physical details. Before that, going through this, you have to calculate your BMI. It should be 18 to 25. It's not necessary, but it should be, because you should be fit. Then only join Merchant Navy, because coming here in Merchant Navy on ship you have to do lots of labor, बहुत मेहनत करनी है. So after that, fathers and guardians details, money in your name, father's name, his occupation. If he is joining company, he is doing any company jobs, you have to write a company designation, किस औहदे पे हैं. If he having email ID, he should have email ID. In nowadays, everybody should have email ID. So you have to give his email ID here. Income, you can select as per your best knowledge. You have to give his mobile number. Then after mother still, you have to give her number. There is no asterisk mark. If you want to give that details, you can give. Otherwise, leave it. Permanent address, you have to give your address as per your passport. Whatever it is written in the permanent address column, just write it here. Correspondence address means present address where you are living. You can give it here. Your house, village, city, district, your pin code, state, country. Country should be India. It might be not Indian, means not out of India, and TD with STD code. It is not with red asterisk mark, so there is no need of putting that. So you have to give your passport details. So you should have a passport before joining this college, before filling this form. Then only you are eligible for filling this form, because they are asking passport number. Otherwise, so passport number is not with hashtag mark, so it might be. But you should have passport before joining any college for any course in Merchant Navy. So you have to give your passport number if you have applied. So wait for that, date of issue, place of issue, valid up to till the date. Then after academic qualification, so if you have done 10th, you should have done 10th, then only, and 12th, then only you are eligible for applying for DNS course. So just write it, your year of joining, select declared, your results should be declared about 10th, year of passing, English percentage, final percentage, and aggregate, school name, board or university, you have to write by your own. Then after filling that, you have to give your class 12 details. You select declared or awaited. If you have given your exam of 12th and it is awaited, so you can click on awaited year of passing. But you should have, first you have to give your exam, then only you have to fill this form. First you have to complete your 12th exam, then only come. Otherwise, yeah, I am going to give exam in 2024 March and I am filling the form. No, please don't fill the form. Okay, year of passing, if it is awaited, so you don't need to fill the passing, in no percentage, nothing is there. If it is declared, you can give year of passing, sorry, English percentage, final percentage, aggregate percentage, school name or board university. If you have done degree, any degree, BTech, BSc with PCM only, you are eligible, or student first year, second year, BSc is first year, second year, and already have completed PCM, physics, chemistry, math, and minimum percentage, how much should be to join 7LN, just keep it in, just comment in the comment box, which will help others also to know, yeah, I am eligible with this marks, this much of marks. Okay, if you are a student of BSc first year, second year in any branch, or if you have completed BSc with PCM, then only you are eligible, or BE, BTech in any stream. For with that certificate also you are eligible, but age should be, I don't know what is the age. For that, you need to go through our videos of eligibility section or about the details of the college. So then after PCM, physics, chemistry, math, they have made one box. So you have to marks obtained in 12th. In 12th only we are taking physics, chemistry, math. So marks obtained like 80 marks in physics. Total marks should be 100. So percentage they will calculate by their own. In chemistry, it might be we can conclude 75 out of 100. So they will calculate the percentage by own. In math, 82. So you have out of 100. So they will calculate it. So out of 300, it is 237. They will calculate, and what's the percentage? That is 79. So you are eligible for joining or not. You can comment in the comment box and tell what is the minimum percentage required to join 7LN Maritime Training Institute. Just give there in the just write it in the comment box, which will help others to know, yeah, if I am having 75%, yeah, I am eligible. I am having 55, I am eligible or not. They will get to know from there. Okay, if you have already given your IMUCET, then only you are coming here for filling the form, right? So you have to write your IMUCET registration number, hall ticket number, that is admit card number, and after passing you are getting a rank certificate. On rank certificate they have written your rank, so you have to give your rank. Hobbies and achievement, if you want to give, you can. Otherwise, if you there is no red asterisk marks, if you don't want, no issues. Other details, I am intended to meet expenses of course through, if you are going through relative source, if you are asking money for paying to 7LN, you through your relative, so you can select relative sources. Otherwise bank, or if you are paying by your own, just select other. Where did you hear about 7LN Maritime Training Institute? Naukri.com, friends, alumni, Shiksha is a website, internet website, other. You will get to know from website, then click on website, or if you want to specify others, so you can click on others. But you got to know about a 7LN from where? From Merchant Navy Decoded, right? So give Merchant Navy Decoded here, if it is a reference, if any person you know who is in Merchant Navy, who is with 7LN company, they know about them. So if you are giving his name, it might you will get some reference to get admission there. It might be, I'm not sure about that, because they have mentioned here in the form. So it might be you will get some reference for getting admission there. It might be, not sure. I am not taking any responsibility. Yeah, you will get, and you have to upload your photo, and photo size should not be more than 500 KB. So upload your photo here, and then after you want to be paid, you have to pay 750 rupees. Then click on submit, and your forms is submitted. For this video, this much only. If you want to know more about the other college, how to fill the form of dietitian, how to fill the form of Synergy Maritime, MOX, MSc. MOX is not taking DNS student. Sorry for that. So you will get to know in this section only. One by one, we are going to make all the videos. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di, and fill your form carefully, because if you fill the form carefully, you are not going to lose your money, you are not going to lose your time. So fill your form and get passed and get selected. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.